Hey loves, we're making a bold nail art with pigments and gold. First up, I'm brushing two pigment powders over a white nail base. Pick any colors you love, make it your own. Which pigment combo would you try? Tell me in the comments. Now I'm applying a top coat to seal in the pigment and give it a smooth glossy finish. With black gel, I'm drawing abstract teardrop shapes. You can totally get creative here, any shapes you like. Now I'm filling in the spaces between the shapes using black gel. This makes the pigment show through only in the teardrops. Love this contrast. I'm applying glitter top coat just on the black areas to add a pop of sparkle without hiding the pigment. Using metallic gold gel, I'm adding two thin lines across the design. This gives it a luxe finish. Final step, a layer of top coat over everything and we're done. Super edgy and shiny. Hit like, subscribe and tell me what colors you try.